We represents the 6 best garage door opener review 2019. Let's get started with the list. Number 1, Chamberlain B970. The belt-driven this garage door opener is powerful and well-featured. With a 1.25 HP motor, it's got all of the strength needed for just about any residential garage door. Number 2, Genie Silent Max 750. The motor of this model is plenty strong for any residential use, and the opener is widely judged to be pleasingly quiet. Smart features are built in, too, but using those requires the addition of the optional Genie Aladdin Connect module. The biggest downside is that there's no battery backup. Number 3. Chamberlain C410s. It lifts even heavy doors easily. While chain-driven openers generally are louder than belt-driven models, most say that, like its predecessor model, it's actually pretty good in that regard, and we saw fewer complaints about installation challenges, too. Number 4. Direct Drive 1042V004. This garage door opener is also feature-packed, though the wireless entry keypad is an extra cost accessory. Reliability is excellent, and installation is at least a little easier than some other garage door openers. Number 5. Genie Accelerator. Screw-drive garage door openers aren't as popular as some other types, but it's a fast performer. It's relatively quiet, too, perhaps not the absolute quietest that you can buy, but certainly quieter than a chain drive opener. Number 6. Chamberlain B550. This model comes with a battery backup. You will be able to open and close the door even in a power failure. The 1/2 horsepower motor paired with the reinforced belt gives you the strongest lifting capacity in its class.